Hi, this is Christine Marfit. I am the object of Northport litigation. Apparently, I'm only one of 2 cases left. And recently in the Northport Sun newspaper, there was an article that said that Mr. Robinson of the Nelson Hesse law firm, who is also the city attorney, was requesting $200,000 more to go after the code enforcement case, which is apparently me. I was in parenthesis, and also some other case, but apparently it's mostly me. And the city of Northport has already given Mr. Robinson, from this newspaper article, $45,000. It's unclear if that's for 1 case that they have against me or 2. And I don't know if you, the Northport taxpayer, fellow Northport victims, or just sympathetic citizens with our plight, or people who have been living here and are worried that they may next be attacked, realize that I have also sued the city of Northport in federal court for violations of the RICO Act, which is a racketeer-influenced corrupt organization, and I am claiming that the corrupt organizations are the city of Northport and the Nelson Hesse, Mr. Robinson's firm. This has to have a criminal action in order to be a RICO violation, and I am claiming that this is a result of failure to provide honest services. And the failure to provide honest services is for, guess what, money. Now, I have claimed in this article also that Mr. Robinson, whose job description is listed under the Northport Municipal Code, under Municode, under section 14.05, he is supposed to supervise and advise all personnel as to their responsibilities under Florida statute and under the Florida Constitution. He is also supposed to prosecute citizens before the Code Enforcement Board. And additionally, he is to be responsible and to endorse any and all legal documents emanating from the city. Well, if you analyze his job description, it means that he would be advising personnel as to their responsibilities under the code, which in this case would be 162.213, where they are supposed to inform citizens explicitly as to how they are supposed to comply with a Northport code enforcement and not to mislead them, as has happened to all of the victims, including myself, which I have so far interviewed. Also, Mr. Robinson, he presents these cases. So in order to present them, he must supervise the collection of evidence, he must review the evidence, and therefore he must present this evidence before the Code Enforcement Board to create these lawsuits. Now, I have claimed in this federal lawsuit that Mr. Robinson creates these cases from thin or non-existent evidence, and that there is a personal and financial motivation for him to sue. This is criminal under United States Statute 1346, failure to provide honest services, and he is creating lawsuits which result in forfeiture of estate, cruel and unusual punishment, excessive fines, etc., which is a violation of our Fourth Amendment rights in being safe in our house, and our Eighth Amendment rights against excessive fining. And if anyone under the color of government authority violates your constitutional rights, it is a criminal matter. It is a federal crime under United States Code 18, 241 and 242.